Gardening season 2022 has officially begun outside. Howard has cleaned the gutters. And in the next, 10 days, we're getting a new pool liner. And here's the real first sign of spring. Are you happy it's in the driveway?
I'm happy it's not stuck on the top of the lane, right?
Yeah. Good job, baby. What have you done? Come out into the sunlight a little bit so we can see you.
I dug it out of being stuck.
You dug it out of being stuck, so why is the side open?
Because I'm flushing the water and all that stuff, filling the tanks.
Okay. I'm clearing off the china cabinet, but it'll take a couple of days.
All right.
All right.
Nowhere near there.
All righty. My goodness. Still a far way to go. Some of the dog poop's been picked up, but all that wood and tarp and everything's frozen to the ground. And Gracie's getting her sunshine. Aren't you, my darling? You just love the sunshine. These are last year's garden beds. What are you doing, Gracie? This is the ugly side of gardening. It's called spring cleanup. We're going to try and get these back beds onto these front beds, the tops of these. I have to clear these out first, so I'll be back in a minute. It's one thing I love about these is this is what I meant, folks. These are my root beds, and they're going 3 boxes deep. It's not on this corner. Oh, there. See? Just like that. I love these. All right, I'll call you when I need more help, dear. Thank you very much. I'm going to finish pulling all the garbage out of these beds so Papa can put the back ones on. Those back ones that he took the tops off of, like down in there, you can see it in the grass. They're going to be 2 beds and 2 beds. That's going to be 1 bed and that's going to be 1 bed. But garlic's coming up. So, I don't know, man. We'll see. A lot of this stuff is still frozen in the ground and I can't pull it up. But we're supposed to get more rain. Look at this. Just complete grass. But these are all going to be topped up with soil. There's another bed's going to go right there. And we will start again every year. Well, this is all too frozen to really dig much. But at least I got my hands in the soil. Buds on the pear tree. Lilies. Our old Christmas tree. That's going to start our brush fire. I'm going to see if I can't get the rake and clean this up a bit. Well, I got the side flower bed at least raked out with a lot of the dead stuff. This is my asparagus bed right here. That's all I can do for today. But I got my hands in the dirt. Look at how fast these subarctic plenty tomatoes are going. I mean, absolutely everything is popping up. We haven't got any marigolds yet, but like, look, these are the Manitoba tomatoes that go from flower to fruit in 67 days. And these are the subarctic plenties that go from flower to fruit in 47 days. Everything is just, look at the cabbages are now green, guys. Look at the leeks standing up straight. What a save. What a save, eh? Oh yeah, I forgot. This is parsley that I grew just in case this stuff didn't. But look, the new soil. You can see that my back boxes are now triple layer for root vegetables, and the 4 boxes behind will be put into 2 boxes. 1 right here and 1 out front. This is the Miss Wolfie from our half-acre homestead saying yes. I can't plant anything at the moment because the soil's still frozen, but garden season 2022 has begun. Mwah! Take care, God bless.